As a father and an MIT graduate, I've always believed in learning by doing. However, traditional DIY cardboard projects can be tough and even dangerous for kids. But now, we create a brand new solution. Beaverbot, easy to use and safe, not just as a tool, but as a companion for our kids. Cut out a variety of lines with ease. Designed with safety and simplicity in mind. Beaverbot lets your child dive into creativity without worry. Our starter kits help you get started right away. Easy to maintain. Simply clean the scrap drawer after use. With Beaverbot, even an old cardboard box can become the starting point for a new adventure. Enjoy DIY moments with your kids. Our accessory sets supercharge creativity. Together, we're building a future where learning is hands-on, creative, and fun, just the way it should be. Beaverbot. Cut safe, create wild.